Hello, my name is Joel-Yamada, and this is my video for app 2. So looking into my retirement contribution calculator, I used numeric inputs and a select input and a checkbox input for the widgets on the side. And then here's my reactive table, and here's the code with a for loop, basically to update that so the balance changes every period invested. And then here's a plot with a conditional for the show target. If it hit that target amount, it'll show, or it'll be the line for the target amount that you want to reach. And then here's the pivot table, changing to using pivot longer to change it to a long data table. And here's to round it to 2 decimal points. So once I run the app, here it is. You can see that right now the default is all the default that were on the instructions. We can change the number of years invested and increase it. We can change the number of periods. So right now, annual contributions 12,000 for the first year. But if you split that up into 12 periods, that'll be 1,000 each contribution. Let's say we do the number of periods in half. That means we're gonna have to double our contribution to hit the same amount. You can change the contribution percentage. So instead of doing 15%, you can do 30% of your annual salary. And that increases based on your salary increasing. And just like that, you can also increase your salary. So instead, you'll be making $83,000 after the first year. I can also show the target amount with the checkbox input, and I can also increase that. So let's just take these back to the default values. And you can see that $35,000 is the target amount. That's right here. And then we can also change that target amount to the, let's just say $40,000 right here. I think that's pretty much it. We can see that also with the years invested, eventually we see in the own contributions versus investment growth that the account appreciation just from the growth increases just as you go on throughout the years. And then we can also see here all the statistics with own percent, growth percent, and then hit target. We could see that our target amount was $40,000 after the second year. Our balance is still at $26,000, but then the appreciation plus the contributions in our third year lead us to have a balance of $41,000, which is above the target amount, and that's why the hit target is at yes.